Hi everyone, my name is Akanksha. Welcome to our first lesson of how to speak effectively over the call. So, all of you must have wondered a lot of time that why so many people can't speak effectively over the phone. Why do they struggle speaking effectively over the phone? Well, in my case also I find so many people who seems to be not talking very effectively over the calls. They talk very unprofessionally or sound very uninterested. So for today, I'm going to tell you 4 tips that will definitely help you to speak effectively over the calls. So the first tip that I have for you is introduce yourself by specifying your name. Have you ever wondered that how will you talk to somebody without knowing the name of the person? You know, it's very important to tell what your name is to the person you're talking to, because that will definitely help you to gain the attention of the listener. Also, you should take the name of the person very frequently while you're having a conversation with them over the call. That will definitely create a nice bond between you and the person you're calling with, and you can talk to them with utmost attention. The other thing that I would like to suggest you is that your voice tone should be welcoming. It should be a happy tone. You should sound as if you are very much interested in talking to the person. The next tip that I have for you is speak properly and clearly. Now, talking to somebody over a phone and you're gushing, you're running into the conversation. Whatever you're speaking is not very much clear to the person. The motive of sending the message is not clear. Then what is the purpose of talking to a person when it's completely failed? So it is very important to speak clearly over the phone. Make sure that whatever you're speaking it in a clear way, slowly, that completely gets into the mind of the person. If you feel that the listener is a hard listener, then try slowing down your voice tone and then improving upon it slowly and gradually. The other most important thing is that you have to be a very active listener while talking to somebody on a call. It must have happened to you a lot of time that you get a lot of background noises. Sometimes there is a lot of network issues. Just make sure that you go to a place where there is a good network signal, or try to reduce the background noise. That will make you a definite good listener. Now moving to the third point, use right words. Now this tip is very important. Whenever you're talking to somebody on professional level, it is very important to use the right word. Make sure that the words you're using are respectful and prohibit yourself from using any kind of slangs. It is very important. You should always keep this point in your mind. The other thing that I would like to include is that if there is any conversation between you and the listener and the person is not able to understand the point, use a descriptive language. For example, if you want to explain any object, you can use descriptive language. Like you can tell them the object is of black color, the shape of the object. That is how you use the descriptive language. So using the right word is one of the most important things in making your calling effective. Last but not the least, keep a notebook and your pen handy. Now you might think, what is the use of notebook and pen while making a call? Well, it is very important. It might have happened to you that the information that has been given to you over a call by a person, you cannot memorize it. So keeping a pen and a notebook will definitely help you in remembering what the person told you while he was having a conversation with you over the call. And the other thing this will help you with is sometime while talking to a person, we might get tongue-tied. And in that case, you can just jot down the points you want to convey to the person you're talking to and just refer it while you're talking to the person over the call. So with this, we come to the end of this video. I hope you've all found this video helpful to you. And you can also access the PDF of these tips from the description down below. Also, don't forget to click the bell button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.